tayo? Bumaba na kaya tayo para makabenta? Ha? Bumaba tayo para makabenta.
Hindi, mamaya na tayo kasi may tatawagin po akong special jammer.
Special.
Wow.
Alam ko, special
And
child.
of course, we have to welcome Mr. Ace Berhel.
Ace
Oh,
Berhel!
Ace Berhel!
Hello!
Ready na ba
Ang
yan?
lakas maka-artista naman yan, Ace Berhel.
And of course, galing pala ito sa Malapag Management, Artist Management. Of course, we have here actor slash entrepreneur slash chef slash seahorse slash marami ang trabaho eh. Talent din ng ABS-CBN, of course.
Nandiyan na.
Trisha May, come here.
Oh, bago nagse-set up lang yung banda, pero pag-contact ka na.
Please do stand by for take 5, Beth. Good place.
Maganda gawin po sa inyong lahat. Salamat po sa pag-ibig sa akin dito. I am one of the members of Malapag Artist Management Center. This song is all for you.
Palakpakan naman! Knife cuts like a knife.
Yun.
She's gone out of my life. I was wrong to believe someone true. I can live without you. In my life, this was a empty space. All my dreams are lost, I'm wasting away. Forgive me. She's gone out of my life. Oh, she's gone. I find it so hard to go on. I really missed her. Come back into my arms. I'm so alone. Begging you, I'm down on my knees. Forgive me. Won't you stay with me? My arms
Taas ang boses.
daw,
Oh,
more.
more daw, more. Ginalingan mo kasi.
Punyeta ka bata kasi.
Sinong nanay mo? Sinong nanay mo? Sinong tatay mo?
yung mga banda sabi, saan kaya pwedeng kunin to?
Sa malaban. Okay.
Bata pa.
Andito ang manager. Ilan to? Oh, mga damay na sana manalo ka. Itayo mo ang banderang mga Batanggenyo.
Yes, once again. Thank you so much, baby girl.
Malaban Artist Management, maraming salamat, Ace.
And of course, ang manager. Yan.
Maraming pong salamat, sir. And this time, we would like to introduce our